we should be on our way. Trust you in your report with us. Thank you for choosing to fly with Batik Air.
Jakarta delivery, good morning, Batik 6882.
Good morning, Batik 6882, delivery, go ahead.
Oh, ma'am, good morning, Batik 6882, Papa Kilo 5, Uniform Sierra Airbus 320. Parking by Charlie 43, information X-ray, request clearance both to Kuala Namu Medan, flight level 380, standby POB.
Batik 6882, clear to Kuala Namu via Whiskey 12, level 280 initially, runway 25 left, squawk number 2550 Delta 1 Charlie.
Clear to Kuala Namu Medan, Whiskey 12280 initially 25 left on squawk 2550 Delta 1 Charlie, departure Batik 6882.
Batik 6882 and ready pesan second ground 121.75.
Roger 121.75 for pushback and start. Thank you. Have a good morning, ma'am. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Okay, clearance.
Roger. Clear to Kuala Namu Medan, Whiskey 12280 initially to 8000 set, runway 25 left as brief, 2550 set, Delta 1 Charlie departure as brief, all set complete.
Okay, all set there.
Checked.
Okay, when you're ready, before start checklist, please.
Stand by. Cockpit preparation.
Is completed.
Completed. Gear pins
Ground
covers.
9244. Is checked.
9244, go ahead.
Request
Signs.
on auto.
ADRS.
Your cross report approved, sir.
Fuel quantity.
Thank you. 11,020 in balance.
Batik 6711, selamat pagi.
Take off data.
Set.
Batik
Baru ref.
6711,
KNH 1009.
continue Whiskey Charlie 1, Sierra Papa Whiskey Charlie 71.
Closely to 0 miles.
Papa
Check
Whiskey
cockpit
Charlie
down to
71,
line.
Batik 6711, terima kasih.
13, continue via Sierra Papa 1, Sierra Charlie X-ray.
Okay, ready down there?
Sierra Papa, Sierra Charlie, Bravo 13, line
we're going to request clearance. Okay, door close. Request pushback, please.
Jakarta, good morning, Batik 6882.
Batik 6882, go ahead.
Sir, good morning. Parking by Charlie 43, request pushback and start with POB 65.
65 Charlie 43, Capuchin approved, phase 2 Sierra Charlie 6.
Pushback start, phase 2 Sierra Charlie 6, Batik 6882, thank you.
Clear right side.
Minor 300, take all going to 5 left via Sierra Charlie X-ray, Sierra Papa 1, after
Window
traffic
doors.
the company,
Close.
taxi in Sierra
Beacon on.
Charlie X-ray.
Thrust levers.
Idle.
Aki brakes. 4-star checklist complete.
Ground cockpit. We're clear pushback heading Sierra Charlie 6.
Again 708, going to 5 left via Sierra Charlie 5, Sierra Papa 1.
Parking brake release time 54.
Saya dari pintu 4R, 4R, door close, arm and cross check.
Terima kasih ya Mbak.
Mbak, saya dari pintu 4L, door close, arm and cross check.
Terima kasih ya Mbak.
Terima kasih, Mbak.
Okay, ground please advise when clear for engine start.
Clear for engine start engine.
Hello.
Captain Nol, door close and cross check.
Okay, thank
Terima
you.
kasih.
Okay, ground start engine number 2. Number 2.
Roger.
Sorry again.
Kita ground, Golf 5 Foxtrot, selamat pagi.
Golf 5 Foxtrot, go ahead.
Golf 5 Foxtrot, request clearance towing dari remote 34 ke Charlie 41, Pak.
Remote 34, Charlie 41, oke, standby.
Standby Golf 5 Foxtrot.
Hotel ground Papa Kilo 5 uniform Mike, selamat pagi.
5 Pak Mike, over.
5 uniform Mike, request clearance towing dari remote 28 ke Bravo 61.
Oke, standby.
Oke, standby.
Dan manusiakan alat mendeteksi asal Medan dan Jakarta. Sebelum memperkuat silakan gunakan sabuk pengaman, meningkatkan surat darah kursi bagi sosial sandaran pasien, mulai mandi cek di hadapan Anda dan membuka penutup jendela. Jika ada kemungkinan
Ground number 2 stabilized, starting engine number 1.
Monitor start engine number 1, sir.
Starting 1.
Ground, selamat pagi, Trantor Sasa Basutu.
Push back off, please, very accepted.
selamat menikmati penerbangan
Ranusa 722 standby for push, traffic, Charlie 43 pushing back.
Sampai.
Monitor 120 enter 300. Kanata Ground, selamat pagi Indonesia 201. Indonesia 201, go 55, continue Sierra Papa 2, Whiskey Charlie 2, on Whiskey Charlie 2, 121 decimal.
Ground port engine stabilized, clear, disconnect signal from the left side. Thank you very much, see you.
Okay, critical communication, see you on the left side. Good morning, guys, see you have a nice flight.
Okay, thank you.
Golf 5 Foxtrot, ground.
Golf 5 Foxtrot, go ahead.
To start check, please.
Boleh diulang Pak, agak macet-macet.
Anti-ice.
Timur.
Off.
Ikem status.
Dulu menghadap ke timur kalau salah.
Baik.
Pitch stream.
Oke, cek ya.
Pitch stream.
Uniform
Pitch stream is CG
uniform mic, go ahead. Jangan Pak di pushback di menghadap ke timur.
29.2%
Oke, pushback
Radar
menghadap
stream.
timur.
0.
Ground signal.
Malaysia
After
204.
such request, all complete.
Mahindo 204, sodium pento 5 Sierra Charlie 4, Sierra Papa 1.
Full down.
Sierra Charlie 4,
Natural.
Sierra Papa 1, Malaysia
Full left.
204.
Full right. Natural.
Rudder.
Full left.
Yo.
Full right. Natural.
Hi. When ready, we request taxi.
Batik 6882 request taxi.
Batik 6882, taxi holding pen runway 255, Sierra Charlie 6, Sierra Papa 1.
1.25 left Sierra Charlie 6 and Sierra Papa 1 Batik 6882, thank you.
Welcome.
Left side.
Clear right side.
722,
Straight ahead going to the right side. Sierra Charlie 6, first left and left Sierra Papa 1. Check.
Okay, taxi. On.
Training, clear for back, Sierra Charlie 6, pasal 722.
Untuk menggerakkan tarik talinya, melepaskannya akan memukan besi. Your seatbelt is buckled like the inside side and like
Brake check.
Check.
Apabila tekanan di kabin berkurang secara tiba-tiba, maka oksigen akan keluar dari panel di atas Anda mereka.
Sierra Papa 1 second to the left.
Right. Clear right side.
Check.
Kanan dari kepala dan bernafas suara seperti biasa. Penumpang yang membawa anak harus memakai masker oksigen terlebih dahulu baru menolong anaknya. In case of loss of pressurization, oxygen also.
Good morning, Batik 6871.
What is again?
Batik 6871, sir.
Batik 6871, Charlie 23,
Okay, first to
continue
the left, clear on the
Charlie
left
1,
side.
Sierra
Roger,
Papa
first
1,
left,
hold before
clear
Sierra
right
Charlie 6.
Roger, continue taxi via Whiskey Charlie 1, Sierra Papa 1, hold before Sierra Charlie 6, Batik 6871. Thank you.
Okay, next left and left. Clear right side.
Clear left side.
Begin 7, 1205.
Box again.
So begin 798, 12025.
Clear right side. Straight ahead.
12025,
To Sierra 1, Sierra Papa 1. Clear right
putus
side.
ya.
Iya Pak, terima kasih.
Iya, mungkin mikrofonnya itu, makasih.
Main 204, monitor 12025.
12025, main 204. Selamat pagi.
Sudah ground 5 uniform mic, sudah di pushback menghadap timur. Request continue towing. Batik 5 uniform mic, okay, standby towing. Oke, 5 uniform mic, standby towing.
Train and device side on. Check.
Sudah ground Golf 5 Foxtrot complete pushback, request continue towing.
Golf yang fokus standby towing Pak, ada yang pushback di Charlie 53.
Oke, standby towing.
5 uniform mic, silakan Pak lanjut towing ke Bravo 61. 5 uniform mic, lanjut towing ke Bravo 61. Batik 6882, monitor 12025.
Roger, monitor tower 120.25, Batik 6882, thank you, have a good morning, sir.
Good morning.
12025 set number 1. Check.
Bila Anda membutuhkan bantuan, silakan menghubungi salah satu awak kami. Terima kasih atas perhatian Anda dan selamat menikmati penerbangan ini. The safety provision transport system
Super Green 00, forget runway 5 Sierra 5, contact ground 12175.
Sierra 5 12175, Super Green 800.
Thank you for your kind attention and we wish you a very pleasant flight.
5300 to 5 left, clear for takeoff.
25 left, clear for takeoff, 3300.
Weather a little bit hazy, yeah?
Checked. Quietly hazy, but it's good to fly. The wind calm.
I think it's going to be better in a few minutes.
Yes, for sure. After the rise up, the sun rise up.
Line 763, surface wind calm, runway to 5 left, clear to land.
Clear to land to 5 left, runway to 763.
Super Green 798, behind lane in traffic, line up to 5 left behind, Cirebon 1 Charlie.
Line up behind
It's a good thing they had another taxiway here.
Yes, but kind of rough little bit.
9300. Batik 682, behind lane in traffic, line up to 5 left behind, Delta 1 Charlie.
And on traffic, line up to 5 left beyond with Delta 1 Charlie departure, Batik 6882.
Fernanda.
Line traffic, line up behind.
Check. Okay, without line.
Approach area clear.
Brake released.
Checked. Takeoff runway.
Is 255 confirmed, approach front is clear.
25 flight right confirm. Approach area all
Zero,
clear.
contact director 123.75.
Flight attendant.
12375, mind the
Engine
204.
much
Selamat pagi
lighter.
Bu, terima kasih.
Facts on,
Pagi.
facts on before
Good morning,
takeoff.
Batik
Check this cockpit.
681, 20 mile final, only 25 left.
Morning, Batik 6881, continue approach to 5 left, NH 1010.
Cash
1010,
1010
fast approach, Batik
Check
6881.
1010.
Check 1010 reading 30.
9773, Sierra 5, contact 12175.
Sierra 12175, line inter 773.
Batik 6882, runway to 5 left, clear for takeoff.
25 left and clear for takeoff, Batik 6882.
Ready?
25 left ready, Captain.
Okay, take off.
Checked.
Tower, selamat pagi Pak, pasal terus siapa
In
bawa?
the name of Jesus.
Pagi Transnusa 7 to the tower, hold short runway to 5 left.
One flag 64 SRS runway, auto thrust blue.
Checked. Thrust set. $100 knots.
Check.
V1 rotate. Positive climb.
Gear up.
Gear up.
Nav.
Checked.
Batik 6251, surface wind calm, runway to 5 left, clear to land.
Copy the wind, clear to land to 5 left. Batik
AP1.
625 left.
AP1 set and gear up.
River climb, climb out the truss.
Checked.
Tower Batik 6882.
Batik 6882, contact director 11975.
Roger, 119.75, Batik 6882. Thank you, good morning. Wait. You. Director, good morning, Batik 6882, Delta 1 Charlie departure, squawk 2550, passing 2000.
Speed check.
Take 6882, identify departure, follow SID. Climb level 280, expedite to cross, cross and expedite, cross 9,000.
Roger,
Confirm
expedite
unrestricted.
course 9,000, climb 280, follow SRE, confirm unrestricted.
From unrestricted.
Roger, unrestricted 280, expedite 9,000, thank you.
Yes. Full thrust climb,
Clear
open
right
climb.
side.
Indonesia
Flight level 280 blue.
2000
Checked.
There is 501 FM,
Okay, full speed 210, speed
2000 feet contact
210 blue.
5.45.
Expedite 9,000 to 80 unrestricted.
Check. When ready after takeoff, climb checklist.
Landing gear up. Flap protected, tags on down to the line.
Batik 6882, traffic coming up 12 o'clock, 9 miles, climbing, passing 3,000 to 6,500 feet.
Traffic inside.
Roger, traffic inside, thank you.
Batik 72, further info, traffic Budiarto training.
Thank you, sir.
Budiarto training.
Jakarta, selamat pagi, Indonesia 181. Indonesia 181, direct Nokta, descend 1000 feet, speed to 30 knots. Nokta 1000, speed to 30 knots, Indonesia 181. Director Sriwijaya 8900.
Sector 4500 passing, train Andy off.
Check.
Imta 4
Batik
K4.
6882, turn right, heading 320.
Roger, turn right, heading 320, we are approaching 9,000, sir, thank you.
Batik 6882, climb, flight level 280.
Climb 280 on heading 320, Batik 6882.
Heading 320 blue.
Checked.
Flight level 280.
Checked. Therefore at Halim, it will be the rain.
Sriwijaya 900, direct
At 1
Lama 5
PM.
Bravo.
Okay.
Papa 5 Bravo, 900.
But in Soekarno-Hatta, it will be good.
I hope it will be.
Indonesia 194, contact
for sure.
Jakarta radar 124.35. 125.35, Indonesia
Okay, landing lights, retract,
Off retract,
seatbelts off.
seatbelts off.
Clear that nav,
Forward.
copy active.
Red nav cleared. Secondary copy active. GPS primary accuracy high. Cruising 380, optimum 385, maximum 308. Status all normal. Transition altitude
Okay, set standard.
standard set. Standard cross check passing flight level 115. Passing now.
Check. Load line,
Baru ref.
standard set.
Standard set. After takeoff, climb checklist are complete.
Speed manage, speed 290 magenta.
Checked.
Batik 6882, direct media.
Direct to media, Batik 6882, thank you.
Media. A beam point. Confirm.
Firm. Media 321 degrees, 618 miles.
Checked.
This is Kuala Namu International Airport Medan information Charlie at time 0127 UTC. Arrival runway 23, departure runway 23, all parking stand decided by AMC officer. All departure aircraft shall be take off from the beginning of runway action flock of bird onto via 1, A2, and A3 wind 110 degrees, speed 04 knots, visibility 8 kilometers, present weather no cloud, view 016 cumulonimbus, catered 017, temperature 25 degrees Celsius, 2.24 degrees Celsius, QMH 1011. All departing aircraft are requested to contact Kuala Namu ground control on frequency 130.3 10 minutes before start to obtain ATC clearance. Mention type of aircraft, registration and total passenger on board. Inform to ATC on initial contact that you have received information.
Okay, time of schedule? Yes, time of schedule? 0220. Okay, 0220, so we're about 15 minutes early, yeah? Weather, temperature is 25 degrees, visibility is 8 kilometers.
Checked.
Okay, you have control and communication.
I have control, I have communication 133.2, Math cruise heading level 360.
Oke. Di dalam beberapa saat lagi kita akan mulai turun dari ketinggian jelajah 36.000 kaki atau 11.000 meter di atas permukaan laut. Untuk persiapan pendaratan di Bandar Udara Kuala Namu di Medan. Cuaca di Medan dilaporkan hujan dengan suhu udara 25 derajat Celcius dengan daya pandang lebih dari 8 km. Semoga Anda telah menikmati penerbangan ini dan kami harap kita dapat berjumpa lagi dalam penerbangan berikutnya bersama Batik Air. Terima kasih atas perhatiannya. We're expected to land in approximately 5 minutes past 9 a.m. in the morning, which is approximately 15 minutes earlier than our expected landing time. And just to keep you advised, there's no time difference between Jakarta and Medan. We hope that you've enjoyed the flight and we look forward to seeing you very soon. Thank you for choosing to fly with Batik Air. Flight attendant, prepare for arrival. Medan Director Batik 6882, descending flight level 130.
Batik 6882, identified, maintain heading vectoring alas 23, descend 8,000 feet.
Maintain heading descending to 8,000 feet, Batik 6882.
Indonesia 194, descend 2,500 feet, turn left, correction, maintain heading.
Heading 010, descend 2,500 feet, Indonesia 1 power.
Our contact to the operation.
Okay.
131325. Number 2.
Air operation, good morning, Batik 6882. Air operation, good morning, Batik 6882.
Good morning, Captain.
Batik 00, tanah 170, clearance, status stabilizer.
Good morning, Batik 200, would like to request parking stand and no wheelchair.
Copy, Captain. Yeah, estimate arrival Kuala Namu 0200. Parking stand and next schedule, parking stand will be number Whiskey 15, Captain. Whiskey 15. And next schedule aircraft and crew continue Cengkareng, Batik 6883. Schedule time departure 0300 Zulu, Captain.
Copy. Roger, copy. Just confirm number 15, Whiskey 15.
Confirm, Captain. Whiskey 15.
Okay, thank you, Pakistan Whiskey 15. Okay, see you. Bye bye.
See you, Captain. Happy landing, Captain.
Thank you.
Whiskey 15. Whiskey 15 is in here in the middle. Yeah.
Okay. Set QNH 10.
QNH set at 1010. Cross check altimeter descent passing 12,500 passing. Now checked.
Minus 20, yeah?
Checked.
Malaysia 104.
I have communication.
Your communication, we are on 1197, descend 8000, maintain heading 355.
Request select Naga.
Turn left heading 320, sir.
Turn left heading 320, descend 2500.
Yeah, we are on speed break on, yeah?
1.5 over.
Speed break. Oh.
Checked. Okay, Naga 2503 multiple 3 9 plus 25 11.5. Okay, we are good.
You love your milk, don't you?
Yes, I like it.
Okay, 10,000, landing lights on, seat belts on.
Seat belts on. Code train, LS training device set on. GPS primary accuracy high. Cross check again status normal offset complete.
Airport checklist, please.
Briefing.
Batik 682, descend 2,400, sir.
Descend 2,500, heading 355, Batik 6882.
Descend
2,500,
682,
blue.
turn left heading 345.
Watch your hand left, heading 345, Batik 6882.
Left heading 345.
Okay, check continue.
ECAM status.
Is check normal.
Seat belts on minimum.
Borrow 230 set.
230 set. Engine mode selector.
Normal.
Down to the line barrel rack.
Confirm ready left
QNH 1010 set.
KS 1010 set.
Request
Cross checklist complete.
to High Indonesia 1.5
Do you need radial in from Naga?
Okay, please.
Radial in 046046 inbound. Confirm.
Check.
Okay, touchdown 23 9. Kind of highly lah, 2,5-3. Yes, 6 8 9. Check okay. All set complete.
Check.
Cabin ready, Captain.
Thank you.
Terima kasih.
Cabin ready.
Okay. Okay, speed 128 magenta.
Checked.
Batik 682, descend 2,500, turn left heading 300.
Descend 2,500, heading 300 to the left, Batik 6882.
Indonesia 194, confirm service localizer.
Indonesia 1.5
300.
This coming up 7 now, touch the Nautic Tower 118.6.
Take tower 118.6, Indonesia 1.5.
Confirm clear
Batik
islands.
682, turn left heading 270, clear left, report service localizer.
Left heading 270, clear for ILS. Runway 23, report established on your localizer, Batik 6882.
270?
Checked.
Doesn't make any sense.
Yes.
So maintain heading to 80, yeah?
Yes, it's better enough, sir.
Okay. Okay, full speed.
Checked.
220 blue.
Check.
So normally when I approach to Medan, I never use approach at first. I will use push nav here.
Check.
So the idea is to intercept the localizer using nav at first.
Checked.
This to avoid the false interception.
Checked.
Speed all star. Speed manage.
Agree, sir.
128 magenta.
ILS roars my side, checked.
Check.
India Delta Echo Lima identified 11.0.90 course 226 15 miles to touchdown. Identified.
Passing on.
Intercepting localizer is if you're inside of the localizer.
Checked.
Report established localizer.
Report established.
Roger, will report established localizer, Batik 6882.
Medan Director, good morning, land 301 departure, left heading 125.
301 morning identified, sir. Heading 125, continue climb 350.
Flaps 1.
Getting climb to Flight 350, heading 125, current 301.
Flight 1.
Check. So intercepting localizer has to be log star. As long as the real localizer shows in the middle,
Checked.
means that you intercept localizer.
Checked.
You can call for established localizer later on.
Nav check.
However, it's only with GPS mode. You still need to
And 301,
arm
fly
it
heading 130.
for ground accuracy.
Heading
Roger.
130, land 301.
Localizer live, glide slope live.
Check. Okay, call established localizer.
Batik 6882, established on localizer, runway 23.
Batik 6882, position 10 miles from touchdown, contact Tamu Tower, 118.6.
Arm approach, AP2.
96, Tamu Tower, Batik 6882, thank you.
Director.
That's a block star, Cat 3 dual, AP1 and 2.
Checked.
Tamu Tower, good morning, Batik 6882, we are on localizer, runway 23.
Batik 682, continue approach, surface channel 40 degrees, 03 knot, connection 011, traffic lining up runway 23.
Roger, copied for the traffic with 1011, Batik 6882.
Cloud with
Indonesia
traffic
104, landed
1011.
at 57, exit traffic
1011. 1011.
Flaps 2, please.
Take it by Golf. Drop November Kilo, Indonesia
1011, please,
Golf
KNH.
November Kilo, copy and vacate contact ground 130 decimal 3.
Take it runway, ground 130, decimal 3, Indonesia.
Runway inside.
Makasih, Mbak. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
2,500.
Checked.
Check.
Air live.
Check.
Indonesia 183, after
Landing
departure
gear down,
from left,
please.
heading
Gear down.
135, climb initial 3000, runway 23, clear for takeoff.
135 heading, left turn, and initial 2000, confirm.
Initial 3000, sir.
Roger, initial 3000 and runway 23 clear for takeoff, Indonesia 183.
Nama tower.
Clear flaps 3.
Speed checked. Flap 3. Traffic rolling.
Check. Clear flaps 4.
Speed checked.
Running checklist when you're ready,
Flap 4.
please.
Flight attendant.
Advise.
Auto thrust.
Speed.
Auto brake.
Low.
K-memo.
Landing no blue.
Landing checklist completed. Wind reported 1403 knots. Indicated now headwind from the right side and variable 2 knots.
Check. Okay, traffic airborne.
Batik 682, runway 23, clear to land.
Runway 23 clear to land, Batik 6882, Papa Kilo 5 Uniform Sierra POV 65.
Copy, thank you.
Welcome.
Okay, aircraft is stabilized, clear to land, all set. Let's talk about disconnect.
Checked.
Indonesia 183, Airborne 0200, contact director and NR
Check 1.
Checked.
1197, Indonesia 183, good day, ma'am.
Good day.
Checked.
Stabilize.
Wind calm.
Check. Check. Down.
Checked.
100 above.
Check.
Checked.
Slight crosswind from the left, considered calm.
Checked.
Minimum.
Continue.
Checked.
Visual.
50, 40, 30, 20. Retard. Retard. 5.
Spoilers. Reverse screen.
Manual braking.
Diesel. Manual brake. Next left side off.
Check.
70 knots. Landed 02.
Check.
Batik 682, landed at 02, exit 5 Golf.
Roger. Exit 5 Golf, Batik 6882.
Kamu tower.
Baru temu kami yang terhormat.
Clear right side, next left turn left.
First to the left.
Check.
Kami mohon Anda untuk tetap duduk.
Batik 682, contact ground 130.3.
130 ground Batik 6882, thank you.
Kamu tower.
Ground Batik 6882, good morning.
Sebelum meninggalkan pesawat, pastikan tidak ada barang-barang yang tertinggal. Atas nama
Namo ground Batik 6882, good morning.
Batik 682, good morning, continue taxi, follow Victor 4, stand 15.
1015, taxi Victor 4, Batik 6882, thank you.
Welcome.
Clear right side, next left turn left. Go Alpha and continue Alpha 2 on the fourth right.
Correct.
On the right, checked.
Alpha
Go
2, Sierra Uniform.
Alpha 2, Uniform, Sierra Uniform, checked. Victor 4, check. Crosshead complete.
When you're
Landed
ready, after landing
02.
checklist.
We'll check complete on the trim 0, check. After landing checklist, flap protect spoiler, disarm, AV start, rudder off, standby, certificate of turning checklist are complete. Landed 02, Victor 4. Victor 4's recross check, Golf, Conti Alpha, Alpha 2, Sierra Uniform, and apron whiskey number 15.
Okay, ASU, okay?
ASU.
ASU. Alpha 2, Sierra Uniform.
Sierra Uniform.
Such a big airport, eh?
Yes. Nice airport. Nice weather right now. And Horace.
Are you from Medan, eh?
No. My girl from Medan.
Oh. That's why you understand those language.
Little bit. Moliate. Moliate Godang means thanks a lot.
Okay. How do you say?
Moliate.
Voliate.
Moliate. Next right turn right Alpha 2.
Checked. Okay, first to the right, clear on the left side.
712 request pushback.
Silk Air standby.
CG233, pushback is at approach northwest runway 23.
Pushback face northwest runway 23, 723.
The right side, next right turn right.
Clear on the left.
Checked. After right, clear right side.
Okay, first to the left.
Going to the left and
Batik
going to the
CG2
right.
revise, taxi Yankee 4 stand 15 sir.
Roger, Yankee 4 stand 15 via Zulu Batik 688.
Sierra Zulu.
Clear right side, next left and left. Continue
Okay.
to the right.
First to the right, clear on the left side.
Yankee 4 until Zulu taxi. Continue turn right, main approach.
Okay. Zulu means straight ahead.
Checked. Clear right side until the end taxiway to the right on the second right.
Muground Sriwijaya 102.
Sriwijaya 102, nama ground.
Sriwijaya 102, stand 13, PB 192, request for push and start on sequence, Sriwijaya 102.
Sriwijaya 102, Roger, ya number 24 pushback.
Oh yeah, standing by for push and start Sriwijaya 102.
Next flight plan 9224 on the ramp fuel 9.3 and no tanker, no extra.
Sorry if you put it 9.9.
Checked. 9.9 and the weather expected. TAF 4 is good.
Okay. As previously briefed.
Roger. Please cross check request weather. TAF 4. Clear right side.
Check. First to the right.
Checked.
Clear left side.
AFCOM 1.
Check my com 1. Your com 1, no change.
AFCOM 1.
Look, it's been a while since I see the 737 of Sutilling is flying. So 15 is going to
Clear right side.
eh?
Yes, clear right side.
Clear left side.
It's in the middle on the right side, sir. On the left side, sorry. The left side. Clear right
Perfect.
side.
I think just in front of the Kuala Namu signage.
Yes. And we have so many birds after the rain. Clear right side.
Check.
Traffic, Silk Air. We are safe.
Okay, brake fan on.
Brake fan on.
APU bleed on.
Blade on.
Marshal inside,
Marshal
taxi
inside.
light off.
Lights off. APU failover check complete.
Check.
Sierra 233, request taxi.
Ground speed 5.
Check. South Sierra 233, request taxi.
Sierra 233, taxi Olimpo runway 23, follow uniform 2.
Follow uniform 2, holding point runway 23.
On radio 0217, landed 02, cross check complete.
2J10 Toto traffic, behind you passing, push back at Toto Pro, face northwest, runway 23.
After traffic behind passing, weekly push back heading northwest, Vijaya 102.
Okay.
2 hours and
960.
7 minutes.
Pantau 960, Namu ground.
1000 set.
And 960,
02.
okay, 1031, request push back and start, POV 205.
Parking brake released.
Checked.
Parking checklist.
Pantau 960, push back at Toto Pro, face to northwest, runway 23.
Runway 23,
Okay, parking brake release. Time 12, aircraft as per DMI.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, when ready, parking checklist.
APU bleed. Sorry, but yes, APU bleed on. Engines off. Seat belts off. Exterior lights off. Fuel pumps off. Parking brake and chocks.
Terima kasih,
Parking brake
Mbak.
release, shock sound.
L, door.
This parking checklist complete.
Terima kasih ya, Mbak.
Okay, check. Flight deck.
Captain Holder di Saman cross check.
Okay, thank you.
Terima kasih.